G'day everyone, Jono here from Nova Caravans, and today we're talking about, you know what, TVs. Now depending on which Nova Caravan you own will depend on the size. They're all smart TVs, so if you're looking at a Bravo model or up, you can run it through Wi-Fi, so you can watch your Netflix and all those sort of things. But today we're simply going to show you how to use it. As you can see from up here, I've got my TV antenna already plugged in. I've got my 12-volt socket, and I've already turned the booster on for the aerial. So what we simply do is we simply wind up the antenna. Now, when you do move locations, you are going to find you're going to have to retune your TV. So basically on your remote, just find through your settings, tune. Once all your TV stations have tuned in, if there's some that are a bit patchy or not working really well, this is how we fine tune it. So this is a Winegard antenna. When I pull this down, I'm actually turning the whole antenna. Once I get a perfect screen so I can watch my footy, go Blues, then I'm ready to go. The other little secret is too, in regards to the booster, when you're not using the TV, make sure it's turned off, especially if you've got the van in storage, because over a few weeks, it will actually make your batteries go flat. There's a handy hint for you.